Today, I'll be sharing 3 simple tips to help you look good on Zoom. These 3 tips will help you look good on your next video conference call, even if you have no professional equipment. Many of us are working from home. We're having to communicate using video conference calls now more than ever before. For some people, video conference calls can actually be a very nerve-wracking experience. And you know what? I get it. Looking good on camera during your video conference call is not so easy if you don't know these tips and tricks. Now, let me get something straight. Looking good on camera during your video conference call has less to do with looking pretty and more to do with you feeling confident with yourself and with your surroundings. That way you can focus on being helpful during your meeting instead of wondering if your camera angle is good or bad, if your background is messy, or if you're having a bad hair day. Step number 1 is get that good light sorted. Any light coming from behind you, beside you, or above you is no good for your video conference call. Instead, place your lighting directly in front of your face and make sure you're not too close to the light. Natural lighting does wonders. Sadly, the weather doesn't always cooperate with us. If that's the case, find a lamp, place it behind your laptop in such a way so that the lamp shines directly at your face. Step number 2 is put a little bit of effort on your appearance. Brush your hair, wear some lipstick or some lip balm. Believe it or not, that actually makes a difference. When it comes to clothing, try wearing brighter colors instead of black for your video conference call. And if you can't avoid that oversized hoodie, then do it. Zoom actually has this setting that allows you to touch up your appearance. You can find it by clicking on video and ticking touch up my appearance. Step number 3 is find your best camera angle. Any camera angle coming from below will usually be your worst camera angle. When I use my laptop camera, I find a table, stack up some books, and place my laptop on top of that table to ensure that my laptop is raised directly at eye level. Make sure you clear your background of any clutter, distracting objects, or dirty clothes. I actually recommend you having a video preview to make sure that you're happy with the way you look and happy with the way your background looks. Log on to your Zoom account to see how you look. Click on Settings, click Video, and then click on Video Preview before you join a call. It's always a great idea to keep your video conference calling space nice and tidy so that if ever you're randomly called into a meeting ASAP, you don't have to worry about cleaning up your space or panicking that your background looks really messy. Now, I'm curious to know what's been your experience so far with video calls on Zoom. Comment below to share your experience. Although this is a video with some tips that will help you improve the way you look in your next video call, I believe that being able to hear you clearly is equally important. So once you've done steps 1, 2, and 3, before you jump onto your next video call conference, I'd actually recommend that you test your audio quality. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.